ito talaga, nakasit in talaga si mommy. At ang hirap pala nun kasi ito talaga yung feeling mo talaga yung mga meme na nakikita ko na bakit parang ako ang naka-enroll. Yun ang feeling ko talaga, bakit parang ako yung naka-enroll. Because pag tinatanong siya ng teacher, iniisip ko, makakasagot ba kami? Lalo na pag alam ko na alam niya yung sagot pero hindi lang siya nakinig or wala lang siyang pakialam. Alam mo yun? So talaga parang, we are going to talk about something that is very, very, very important talaga. Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. It's me, Mommy Mariel Padilla! Hello everyone! To all the new subscribers, hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. I would like to thank everyone. Thank you so much for watching my previous vlog. Maraming salamat dahil na-enjoy nyo ang aking ultimate kalokohan. Meron pa tayong part 2. Ginagawa ko pa siya kasi hindi ko siya magawa pa dahil meron tayong parating. Waiting tayo because of that vlog, nagkaroon ako ng mga bagong kaibigan. Mga bagong source. So, today, we are going to talk about something that is very, very, very important talaga. Kumbaga sa level ng pagka-importante niya is to the max talaga siya. And today, it's about education. Kung ano yung gusto mong gawin for them because ultimately, yung pag-aaral, yun lang talaga yung pinaka-mapapamana natin sa kanila. Yun po ay totoo. Kaya, if there is something that we should invest on, if there is something that I believe na dapat talaga pagtuunan natin ng panahon, pagtuunan natin ng money, it is their education. We had a teacher, si Teacher Mac. She was about 12 months when I started with Teacher Mac. Teacher Mac was referred to me by Tony Gonzaga. You think na parang, ay, 12 months, mag-aano na? Yes! 12 months, you'll be amazed. Ang dami na nila. Siyempre, hindi naman yung parang nagma-mathematics na sila no, na 12 months. Hindi naman ganon. Yung mga ABC, 1, 2, 3, hanggang 10, hanggang 20, ganyan. Ang galing talaga, maso-surprise ka dun sa kaya yung capacity ng bata. And for me, it was because Isabella was so smart. Alam mo yun, she's so smart na nanghihinayang ako na hindi ko ma-maximize yung katalinuhan at saka yung mind niya na absorb ng absorb, di ba? Mga kalokohan nga na pagtutuunan natin ng bansin, what more yung education ng ating mga kids. I remember when she was about 18 months, we had a class, a small group. It was called Playscape. We had a small group wherein she had other classmates who were her age also. And until now, she's still friends with those girls. And I have become really good friends with the moms of that group. Sila yung naging mommy group ko. And mga ninang-ninang kami na sa isa't isa. Lahat kami may second child na. When I was going back to work, magsha-showtime na ako ulit, my fear was since aalis ako, she will need someone who will be with her on a regular basis so that the learning is continuous. So, when she was 18 months, I started with Teacher Peaches. Si Teacher Peaches, every day, kasama niya si Isabella. They spend an hour and sometimes longer. And she became one of Isabella's friends talaga. She likes Teacher Peaches a lot. Si Teacher Peaches naman teaches in international schools. So, her background is also very, very good. She was referred to me by Teacher Mac. And then on weekends, we would go to Gymboree. O, diba? Talagang, diba? At a young age, ang daming activities.
Slowly we are bouncing. Slowly we are bouncing. Now we stop.
No.
Now stop.
Color is this one. Mayroong time na nag-try ako mag-teacher-teacheran. Nako, talagang lalong tumaas ang respeto ko sa mga teacher dahil mahirap maging teacher.
Green, no? Kinamay mo na.
So, lalo na alam mo yun, yung mga toddlers talagang malilikot sila. And then the pandemic happened. Oh, di ba? Biglang serious. The pandemic happened and parang yung papadalhin ko na siya sa school noon sa regular real school. Nagpunta na ako dun sa school na yun. And this was also yung ano bang path yung iti-take mo para sa anak mo. Dito ka na magde-decide kung yung anong klaseng curriculum ang gusto mo para sa anak mo. So for me, because I came from my Montessori school, I wanted Isabella to also go to a Montessori school. Just a brief background, si Maria Montessori is an Italian teacher. She was teaching kids with special needs. So she teaches them through materials. And that's how I learned when I was a kid. So I was thinking that it will be good for Isabella as well. So I was going to enroll her in a Montessori school, but then the pandemic happened. So the whole of last year, hindi muna. But what I did, I have a cousin, si Teacher Kim. Si Teacher Kim is also a very qualified teacher. She has experience in teaching internationally. She taught in Indonesia and in Japan for years. So, perfect talaga to be Isabella's teacher. Plus, alam ko she's safe from COVID. So I allowed her to come to the house once a week kasi gusto ko talaga magkaroon ng one-on-one session si Isabella. So, we have this classroom set up for her in the house kasi gusto ko, alam niya na pag nandito siya sa sa room na to, it's a classroom, 'di ba? Nag-aaral siya dito sa classroom na to. Itong tables and chairs na to, this was gifted to us nung baby shower ko by Tony Gonzaga, and it's most useful. Itong bookshelf na to, it was gifted to us by Marie France naman. Ito, pinagawa namin to. Tapos, di ba naging room tour na bigla? Iba yung pinag-uusapan natin. Di ba? So yan, ito, kasi nga she's into planets, so may mga planets around. Dito siya, ginagawa niya yan. My name is Isabella, sinusulat niya when she was learning how to write. This helps her count 100, 0 to 100. My goal was I just wanted Isabella to be able to write. Kasi gusto ko on like Mother's Day. Ito talaga yung gusto ko talaga. On Mother's Day, may Happy Mother's Day, nanay. Ako na matatanggap na gawa niya. Pero talaga, gusto ko talaga makapagsulat siya. And we were able to achieve that. And then, ngayong school year na to, I enrolled her in a real school, pero online classes lang kami. Because the other teachers, all my 3 other teachers, Teacher Mac, Teacher Peaches, Teacher Kim, ayaw nila na si Mommy kasama.
Okay, what else? 3 words are added. The first 3 words are the same. Read it, Isabella. Okay, can you read it? The rat sat.
The rat sat
Say it.
on the hat.
Okay, next. There's still a first sentence. Okay, next. Who's this? The cat
The cat is too
is
fat.
too
Fat.
fat. Okay, cat is too fat. Okay. Now, let's listen now to a story, okay?
But for our Montessori class, ito talaga, nakasit in talaga si mommy. At ang hirap pala nun kasi ito talaga yung feeling mo talaga yung mga meme na nakikita ko na bakit parang ako ang naka-enroll. Yun ang feeling ko talaga, bakit parang ako yung naka-enroll. Yung pag sumasagot siya, yung pagtatanungin siya, ako talaga po yung taong zero ang anxiety ko. Wala akong anxiety except from 10 to 11 a.m. Mondays through Fridays pag nag-online class kami. Because pag tinatanong siya ng teacher, iniisip ko, makakasagot ba kami? Lalo na pag alam ko na alam niya yung sagot pero hindi lang siya nakinig or wala lang siyang pakialam. Alam mo yun? So talaga parang, laging ganon. Pero it's so nice to see her, lalo na pag nag-i-interact siya with the other kids. Nakikita ko na yung interaction niya with other kids nandoon. So, yun yung maganda kasi lahat ng iba, it's one-on-one. We also do an art class once a week with Arts Venture. So, once a week, she has an arts class. And then, but we still do have Teacher Mac and Teacher Peaches. She has a class every day. Sometimes 2 times a day. 1 hour per class.
Read it.
92.
Look at it. Okay.
Wow.
And I think it's nice kasi they do songs, they do some activities, ganyan, and it gets her really interested in studying. And there are many classes that are available. You can check out Madison Events. They have toddlerclass.madison. They have Madison.online class. They have Madison.abc phonics class. Ganyan. Check out their classes. There might be one that's perfect for your child. Marami dyan ako nakikita. And right now, this is the best that we can do for our kids. The best that we can do is enroll them in an online class para kahit papano, the learning doesn't stop. So that is my advice sa mga parents, lalong-lalo na. Pero kung si mommy kaya, kunwari si mommy kayang talagang magtiyaga na kayang mas turuan, mas maganda yon. Kasi number 1, nakakatipid ka. Tapos, iba pa lalo yung bond nyo kayong dalawa na mag-anak. Pero ako, inaamin ko, hindi ako masyado magaling na teacher. So that is my advice. And I want to thank Una Rosa for my ang layo. Biglang naging thank you. Oh, but thank you so much to Una Rosa for my outfit today. Thank you so much, Una Rosa. I love it. And then, feeling ko madam na madam ako. Ako talaga, gusto ko lang naman maging madam. Okay, so now I'll give you a small tour of what we have here in the classroom. And this is our classroom environment para feel na feel nila. And si Gabriela will be starting her classes very, very soon also. I'm just waiting for maybe Teacher Kim na ma-vaccinate para at least once a week. Iba kasi for her age, I think it's better na one-on-one. Hindi ko pa natatry na mag-virtual class at that age. So, but we'll try, diba? We'll see and I'll let you guys know how it goes. But for Isabella's age, I think kaya na niya. And I still hope and pray for the day na mangyari na mag-go siya dun sa regular school, susundin ko, ihahatid ko, alam mo yun. You know, when I had our car made, nung pina-customize ko yung car ko, yun yung imagination ko. Na ihahatid ko si Isabella sa school, kami ni Gabriela, maghihintay kami somewhere near, tapos susunduin namin siya after a few hours, tapos uuwi na kami. Alam mo yun, yun yung imagination ko. But again, COVID happened, and so we had to adjust. And I know that a lot of parents are coping in different ways. Ito lang yung way namin, and it is working naman for us. So, ako talaga, yun ang pinaka-priority talaga is yung education ng mga bata. Kaya nga tayo nag-work hard. So there! Thank you so much for watching. I hope that kahit paano nakakuha kayo ng mga tips on what you can do with your kids and how you can start their learning journey. And thank you so much for watching. I'll see you again next time. Don't forget to like, to share, and to tell this vlog to all of your friends. Don't forget to subscribe because we are almost 1 million. Thank you. Bye!